Welcome to the future of affordable, reliable, and 100% made in India mobility. Introducing the all-new Speedigo SPG 4 Plus to Eco Buggy series. Crafted in the heart of West Bengal, at our state-of-the-art Kolkata factory, the Eco Buggy stands as a symbol of indigenous engineering, designed especially for middle-class corporate users who seek economy without compromise. From chassis to body, every part is manufactured in-house using Tata and Bhushan steel with our very own proprietary molds. Powered by a cutting-edge 5,000-watt permanent magnet synchronous motor, it delivers superior efficiency, compact design, and strong performance, especially on hilly terrains. We've equipped it with programmable smart controllers from the world's top brands, ensuring smooth rides and adaptive driving. Coated with high-gloss metallic car paint from Asian Paints, the Eco Buggy comes in a range of dual-tone colors from milky black to light grey. Enjoy the plush comfort of high-quality foam cushioned seats, finished in premium artificial leather on a strong laminated wooden base. With 140 150Ah branded tubular batteries, expect longer mileage and powerful hill climbing without breaking a sweat. Hydraulic drum brakes with cylinders ensure reliable stopping power when it matters most. From custom body wraps to our signature metal Speedigo emblem, your brand presence gets a premium lift. And yes, we back it up with 1 year of free maintenance and warranty on the motor, controller, chassis, battery, differential and charger. Speedigo Eco Buggy, smart, strong, sustainable, proudly made in India.